Welcome to Gauri's Science Experiments. On this experiment, I'm going to show you how a weight can balance itself on its center of gravity. Hi, my name is Gauri and I love science experiments. I have a candle. I put the needle through the candle at the center of the candle and I cut both sides like I could light them up. I'm going to get the candle and the two sides of the needle has to go between the two safety pins holes. As you can see, I lit the two candles on the two sides of the candle with fire. After a few minutes, you're gonna see the candles trying to balance and it works like a seesaw. Swing, swing! As the wax burns and melts, it makes one side lighter and another side heavy. This is what causes the seesaw effect. It's trying to balance. Isn't that cool? You could do it outside at your backyard if you have one. But if you don't, you could do it outside. Whatever you want. Enjoy my videos! I have more cool videos that you can watch.